Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 30-3, Chapter 8, Section 3, Buying or Leasing a Vehicle, Part 3. Now, last question. When is planning to lease a vehicle to use for deliveries for his restaurant? The lease has the following conditions. Term, 4 years. Monthly payment, $457.92. Security deposit, $500. Delivery charge is $629.05. A kilometer allowance, 25,000 kilometers per year. And if you go over the 25,000 kilometers per year, they charge you 12 cents a kilometer. And note the residual value at the end of the lease term is $13,880. That is, at the end of the 4-year lease, that you can buy the vehicle for $13,880. All right? Now, a couple of things here. Now, notice term 4 years, and I probably shouldn't have to tell you this, but there's 12 months in a year, so that is 48 payments. All right? So the question is, how much will it cost to lease a vehicle over a 4-year term? Assuming when to return the vehicle in good condition, having driven 92,000 kilometers. Now, good condition, damage deposit, back, and 92,000 kilometers. Notice it was 25,000 kilometers per year allowed, so that is 100,000 in total, so it's under the distance. He doesn't have to pay extra mileage. That's good. So, 48 payments. All right, so, let's see, it is going to be the security deposit he gets back, so I'm not going to count that. The delivery charge is $629.05. Payments. $48 times 457 decimal 92. I don't know what that is. I can't do it in my head. 48 times 457 decimal 92. $21,980.16. And yes, don't forget about the 16 cents. Now, okay, now remember, we don't worry about the security deposit because he returns it in good shape. He gets the 500 back, and he's under mileage. So that plus 629.05 means he spent a total of $22,609.21. So that's how much it costs him to lease. All right, for 4 years. Now, if when purchased the vehicle at the end of the lease term, how much will he have paid for it? If he buys the vehicle at the end of his lease, his security deposit is returned and he's not required to pay if it goes over his kilometers. All right, so $22,609.21. Sorry, $22,609.21. And the residual value, that is $13,880. $36,489.21. Right, so it costs him $36,000 if he doesn't go over his mileage and he returns in good shape. Now, so far so good? Now, if when buys the vehicle instead of leasing it, it will cost him $29,674, including taxes and fees. What's the difference in price between purchasing the vehicle and leasing it and purchasing at the end? All right. So, $29,674.00. If he bought it, the leasing bit we just did here is $36,489.21 So what's the difference? Minus 29, 674, 6 barakazad, 674, $6,815.21. Yeah, it's cheaper for him to buy outright. Now, why? All right. What's the difference in price between purchasing the vehicle and leasing it than purchasing at the end of the term? $6,800. Okay? So if he buys it, he saves himself $6,000 rather than leasing it. Trouble is, what happens when you buy it? You generally take out a loan. The loan, you have to pay interest. Guess how much interest you're going to pay on a $30,000 loan for 4 years? When we went back here, what was the interest we calculated on one of them? Yep. Be like $3,000, $4,000. So he's looking at like $3,000 interest, something like that. I'm not doing the calculation because I'm lazy. So it's probably a little cheaper for him to buy it than it is for him to lease it. But leasing, you don't have to come up with a down payment. Buying, they really want you to come up with a down payment. I don't know which is better, but I'm just going to say it's options. And that's something you have to think about when you're buying or leasing a vehicle. Anyway, that's it for me. Please tell me that is the last question. Yes, it is. Congratulations. You've made it through Math 30-3. Any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck.